How to like a song on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can like a song on Spotify. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is open up the Spotify app, make sure you're logged into your account. Now head into the album and the song or the song that you wanna like to. Now suppose if you open up this album and you're listening to a certain song, suppose you are listening to this song that you can see at the screen. Now what you want to do is, along with the song, at the right hand side you'll find three dots option with every song. Simply tap on the three dots option beside the song that you want to like. Tap on three dots and there you can see the option like. Simply tap on like and it'll be added to like songs. Tap on the other three dots as well, the three dots on the other song that you want to like. Suppose this third song, tap on three dots and there you'll find the like option. Tap on like and it'll be added to like songs. Now if you want to remove it from your liked songs, simply tap on three dots option again and simply tap on the liked option again and it'll be removed from liked songs. So this way you can like a songs on Spotify and you can remove it later. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.